Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Demon, a muscle car built for pure power, speed, and dominance on the road. Let's explore what makes it a beast. The 2025 Dodge Demon roars to life with a monstrous 6.2L supercharged HEMI V8 engine, producing a mind-blowing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque on E85 fuel. This powerhouse takes the Demon from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. At the front, the Demon's aggressive hood scoop and air vents enhance both cooling and aerodynamics. The wide grille, adorned with the iconic Demon badge, exudes menace, while the LED headlights offer an intense, modern look with adaptive lighting for improved visibility at high speeds. The sculpted bumper incorporates massive air intakes, optimizing airflow and downforce for ultimate performance. The side profile showcases the Demon's muscular stance, with widened fenders housing 18-inch lightweight wheels wrapped in drag radial tires for maximum grip. Side glass is designed for aerodynamics, with lightweight materials enhancing speed and efficiency. The flared wheel arches emphasize the car's aggressive stance, while the body lines add to its dynamic appeal. At the back, a massive rear spoiler enhances stability, while the LED taillights maintain Dodge's signature light signature. The dual exhaust system, integrated into the rear bumper, produces an earth-shaking roar that demands attention. The lightweight trunk lid and race-inspired rear diffuser complete the Demon's aerodynamic and high-performance design. Inside, the 2025 Dodge Demon is a blend of raw performance and modern comfort. The dashboard is designed for racing, featuring carbon fiber accents, a digital instrument cluster, and a 10.1-inch LCD touchscreen with Dodge's Uconnect infotainment system. The driver-focused interface provides performance tracking, launch control settings, and real-time diagnostics. The side doors are lightweight but reinforced for safety, featuring Alcantara and leather finishes for a premium yet race-ready feel. The gear selector is a performance-inspired T-handle shifter, designed for quick response and aggressive shifting. The red illuminated start button adds to the adrenaline rush, igniting the supercharged V8 with a press. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with paddle shifters for quick gear changes. The front bucket seats are heavily bolstered, providing excellent support during high-speed launches, and are available in both leather and racing fabric. For those who prefer a stripped-down drag racing setup, the Demon offers an option to remove the passenger and rear seats to reduce weight. In the rear, the optional two-passenger seating setup includes a central armrest with cup holders, but most buyers will opt for the single-seat configuration to maximize performance. Cargo space is limited, but the trunk still offers enough room for essential gear, making it practical for track days. The 2025 Dodge Demon starts at around $120,000, with performance upgrades and customization options pushing the price even higher. Given its unmatched power, track-ready engineering, and exclusive production run, the Demon is a true collector's dream and an absolute performance bargain for muscle car enthusiasts. The 2025 Dodge Demon is the ultimate street-legal drag car, blending extreme horsepower, aggressive styling, and advanced technology for an unrivaled driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-performance car content on Road Ready Review.